Hello, folks. There's a certain kind of excitement in the air for Northeast Ohioans. If you see over here this arrow, that's just where I have a lot of poa, and those little divots, those are moles and voles. You know, you're always going to have that when you're coming out of winter into spring in Northeast Ohio. But, you know, where does that come from? Well, those moles and voles are having a lawn party over the wintertime, making all kind of paths and eating grass roots and just going off on your lawn. So what I did though is I gave my lawn a proper send-off last fall, a nice low final cut with good fertilization before that frost set in. This is a November time frame, and that lower cut prevented mold and disease so that, you know, when it wakes up now, it's got all of the nutrients it needs, you know. And I gave it a boost. Micronutrients. I've already put it down twice this season. You know, think about like iron, manganese, you know, zinc, stuff like that helps push that green. But now here we are, first mow of the season. And it's not just about trimming the grass. I want to reveal those stripes. You know, I want to go diagonally, checkerboard, whatever way I want to go. I want to get those stripes going. There's some more mold damage. You see that? I mean, it was just terrible this year. I got to plant grass back in that area. What you see here is a nice greened up lawn. It's starting to fill in. I got a little work to do, but it's getting there. What I did too is I cut the lawn with the Honda. I didn't use the roller. I cut it with the Honda just to give it a fresh cut.
I just wanna put down my armor, no more drama. I just wanna put down my armor, no more drama. I just wanna.
And you see that tree right there? That's one of my favorite trees. That's the weeping red bud. That thing is beautiful all summer long. And it gets big pinkish, purplish flowers on it in early spring. If you come back over here and you look, you'll see that I have some poa. Every year I have some poa. I've already put one treatment of tenacity down. And I didn't cut up here where a lot of that poa is. See all of these open holes here? The moles just had a fields day. All right, folks, it's been the Lawn Jenkins. I'll keep you updated.